We're gonna let that family go through. Bill has joined us. Margie, Stephanie, of course, Jason, Hogue Mahone, Greg.
I would do the magic carpet ride.
Good morning, everybody.
Sure, why not?
Take my hand and let's go.
Oh, what do you want? This is like kind of just walking up.
Let's go explore the Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse. Oh. T-minus 36 days until Greg is in the Magic Kingdom. Been on behind us, but so far so good. And Bobby, what a bust. The water wheels are not working. Typically, these elaborate water wheels are churning and bringing the water up to the treetops. All right. Warren, let's continue our adventure through the Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse. How can he charge his cell phone then? You'll have to bring a fuel rod. Yeah, no water wheels. What a bust. Careful, these steps are still a little slippery. You want to build it. Build in their backyard. That'd be cool.
Yeah, it would be cool. Would you be able to keep the bugs out of it?
You'd have to spray. Maybe if the tree was,
Would you be able to find Max antenna?
no. So here's the first room. What every treehouse needs: an organ, the fine china, pretty cool. We got a barometer, thermometer,
I always
anemometer.
forget how nervous I get up.
Really?
Yeah, I always think it's going to be fine.
We got busy.
Yeah,
You got a
this is
perfect
weird.
300-year-old oak tree, and it crashed 2 years ago, and you got a good insurance claim out of it.
Yeah, but an old oak like that is nice.
Oh, yeah.
The house my mom grew up in had a big oak in front. And when she saw that it had been cut down, she got really sad. She got really depressed about it. Jesus, it went from being nobody up here to
Everybody. We're trendsetters. She doesn't do this because she's afraid of the heights.
Who said that?
Stephanie.
Yeah.
All right, there's a break after this, gentlemen.
No.
No, there's not. Wow. I think the crowd has appeared. This is one of the first attractions you can find when you come in on the left.
I've done there.
She's doing selfies. Pardon me. Oh, you can't beat this view. Oh.